Greetings and welcome to Microsoft Excel 2013 lecture on finding a solution to a problem in this particular situation using the Excel feature of GoalSeek. So I've created this scenario for us to work with, and it might be something useful that you want to do in one of your classes. So in our Excel 2013 class, I have put down all of our assignments. That's about for the first half of the term, from the introduction all the way to capstone project number 1. That would get us to the end of spring term. And then the second half of the class takes us all the way through chapter 6, 7, 8, 10, 11, and then our final capstone project, which is kind of like our final exam. I have all of my scores put into the Excel spreadsheet. And for the introduction, I scored 5 out of 6, so 6 is the points possible. The training, I did 4 out of 4, and you can see I did fairly well. A couple of them I did a little bit low on, but all in all, I did pretty well, and I did a lot of the extra credits. So I got some points on the extra credit as well. A couple of them I didn't do. And it looks like a few projects I didn't do too terribly well on, but overall I think I did well. Okay, in fact, if I walk away from the class right now without even doing my final project, I'll walk away with a C. In fact, a very strong C, 75%. But I really want to know, can I get an A in this class? So I can utilize Excel's feature of GoalSeek to figure out what I need to score on my capstone project 2 to figure out if I can earn an A, if it's even mathematically possible to earn an A. So here's what I tell Excel. I click on What If Analysis, GoalSeek, and it says, oh, set cell. Well, I want my cell of the percentage in the class to be set to 0.9, which is 90%. But I want to change whatever score I get on my capstone project. I want Excel to start putting in scores into the system to see, is it possible? What score would make me get 90%? So I'm going to go ahead and click on OK. You'll see Excel work a little bit. It's trying some solutions. It actually took like 7 or 8 tries. It did find a solution. I did hit the target of 90%. I'm going to click on OK, so that little box is out of the way. So I have my 90% here. I've got my A, but I have to stop. Excel only finds a solution. This solution may not actually be mathematically feasible. So you do have to look at the end result. It says I need a 66 out of 40 points to get an A in the class. Well, it doesn't look like I'm going to get an A because you can't get 66 out of 40 points. But is a B possible? So I'm going to go ahead back, go change my GoalSeek information. I'm going to set my percent, instead of 90%, I'm going to set it to 80% for a B. By changing cells, once again, my capstone project 2. And then I'm going to click on OK. And it's going to run through, and it actually found a solution. And indeed, this is definitely possible. I can get a 22 on the final project, and I will get a B in the class. So I don't have to settle for a C. I definitely can get a B. So that's what GoalSeek does. But you do have to look at the solution that it finds to see is it even possible. And if it's not possible, maybe you have to change your goal a little bit. So that's all I wanted to say about GoalSeek. Until next time, be seeing you.